Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do screen recording in your phone Vivo Y16. First, go to the notification area and go to S Capture. There will be one option S Capture here. Just click it, and here you will see screen recording icon. First icon, just click it, and now you can record screen. Okay, click on Start Screen Recording, and screen recording is started, and whatever you go in your mobile screen, that will be recorded. I go to different web page and different settings in my phone. Yeah, they will be recorded in an order. Okay, and also I take a screenshot using three fingers. I take a screenshot using button method. I take a screenshot. So all these tasks will be recorded. Whatever you do in your screen, that screen activity are recorded, and you can use it for your future reference. And if you want to stop screen recording, just click it, and again you go to click on stop button here. This is stop button, and it is stopped, and file is saved, and it will show the notification. Click on it, and yes, it's playing. This is a video file, mp4 file, and screen recording is showing whatever you edit in the past, that are now showing. So in this way you can easily do screen recording in your phone Vivo Y16. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.